Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ocube. Today's tutorial is going to be on how I got this beautiful trending Instagram GELE. Please, if you are new here for the first time, do consider subscribing, and if you are a returnee, please. Thank you all for always coming back. I love you all. You guys are super amazing. So without much ado, let's get started with this tutorial. So I'll place my tie on my model's head, then I start forming my pleats. See the way I'm carrying the pleats one after the other. I'm just trying to achieve my pleats like up to 4 or 5. You can do as many pleats as you want. Then I'll tell my client or model to help me hold one part while I arrange the pleats at the other side to make sure it doesn't overlap one another. So immediately I'm through with that, I'll tell my client to hold that part while I arrange the other side. So now that I've arranged it, I can add more pleats if I choose to, and that was just what I'm just trying to do here. So now I'll just continue to add more pleats until I feel maybe the pleats are enough.
Flexing on the beat.
And I also ensure the pleats do not overlap. Before I carry it over to the back. See, I'm counting the pleats and I'm trying to also make sure it's very flat on her forehead before I carry it over to the back and cross the tie at the back. Meanwhile, I divided this ashoke into the ratios 7:30. So the 30% of the ashoke now, I will ask my client to hold for me while I twist over the 70% of the ashoke. So immediately I'm done twisting it, I'll tell her to hold it while I twist the smaller aspect of the ashoke. So now that I'm through twisting the 30% of the ashoke, I'll place it on top of where my last pleat stopped. Then I hold it firmly while I carry my 70% of the ashoke just at that point where the other one stopped, before I use a pin to secure the two of them together. I'm just trying to use a pin to make sure the two twisted ashoke are both secured before I start arranging this other part. So this is the beauty of the tie, actually, the standing aspect of the tie. You see the area I twisted, I actually held some parts, then I freed my hand to open up the edges of the ashoke. So it's kind of pretty easy. I'm just trying to arrange the ashoke now to make sure the GELE stands very well and stands very firmly. If your tie is not too strong, you can use a pin to make sure it stands fine and okay. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, do give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I will definitely see you all in my next one. Bye bye loves, I love you all. Mwah. Bye.